we're developing NFT games, so I have everything in-house. So I think the best time to really invest is during the bear market.
Doing right now, actually more of doing fundamentals on projects that might boom when the bull market comes back.
Nagbabay ako na mas maraming BNBs. Kasi ginagawa ko right now, bumibili ako maraming BNBs, sinistake ko siya sa Launchpad, and then if makakuha ko na allocation doon, nag-invest ako sa mga good projects ng Binance.
Hey guys, so we're here at Traders Fair. I was supposed to go home, pero when I was going home, there was a guy na sobrang yaman. Minessage ako na pabalik na siya sa hotel. Ito yung guy na yun. So madami pa sila dito. We're gonna talk to them one by one. Marvin Favis, sobrang yaman. What are you doing during this entire season that the market is dropping?
I'm trading, of course, futures.
Okay.
For me, it's predictable when the market is going down. So I take advantage of it.
Okay.
So
So,
that's me, ah.
okay. I'm curious, futures. Pag umabot ng 26,000 yung Bitcoin, long ka na doon o mag-short ka at ano leverage mo?
Possible, mag-long, pero careful pa din. Okay, careful pa rin, di pa rin super exposed. Like, ano lang, kurot-kurot. For me kasi, profit is profit. So, kahit 1,000 to 2,000 yung increase ng crypto, as long as may profit ako sa futures, okay na ako doon. Okay, hindi ako nagigreedy.
Okay.
Ganun style.
Ikaw pumili next. Sino pupunta natin next?
Isa sa mga matitindi, sir, si James, matindi to.
Asan si James? What are you doing in this bear market?
We're developing NFT games, so I have everything in-house. So I think the best time to really invest is during the bear market. So especially sa development takes time. So we take the time na bear cycle. So habang bear cycle, syempre, mahirap kasi yung biglang hahabol yung project mo pag bull run na eh. Technically, dadatnan mo nun bear market na, bear cycle na. So while nasa bear cycle, we keep on developing everything right now. The assets, the smart contracts, everything from the art, lore, everything. So para pag the bull run is already there again, for sure, I think there's still one bull run this year. Dun mo i-rarat-rat lahat. So, yeah.
So building projects, you're not buying any other crypto or anything?
Technically, I have stopped muna since I'm actually developing my own. So, medyo hindi siya tugma sa branding ko if ganon. So that's why mas pinapatronize ko yung mga. But I have couple of like NFTs din, like apes, ganyan. So, heavily invested ako sa mga NFT games talaga.
Okay,
So,
saan
yun.
mas maganda mag-heavily invest sa NFT games o sa pag-ibig?
Yung pag-ibig kasi Web2 yun. Yung Web3 yun. So, pwede yung dalawa.
Good answers. Pili ka next one. Sino gusto mo?
Ako may kilala akong ano eh. Ito sobrang sikat to. Medyo lumalayo eh.
Saan?
Ito sikat talaga to. Ito addict to.
Okay.
Ito addict in the house.
Okay, name. Okay, game.
Hello po.
Okay, name for the audience.
Crypto addict po sa TikTok.
Yung talaga name mo?
Yes, crypto
Okay.
addict.
Pero real name. Docs tayo, docs.
Nathan
addict.
Nathaniel Rondon.
Okay, Nathaniel. What are you doing while the market is dropping?
Actually, nagbabay ako na mas maraming BNBs.
Okay.
Kasi ginagawa ko right now, bumibili ako maraming BNBs, sinistake ko siya sa Launchpad, and then if makakuha ko na allocation doon, nag-invest ako sa mga good projects ng Binance. So, ganun yung isa kong ginagawa. And also, ginagawa ko, nagsispot ako. Spot ako minsan kapag maganda yung may opportunity to buy or to sell. I do that. So, usually, back and forth lang, NFT flipping sa ibang blockchain like Wax. So, basically, yun lang yung ginagawa ko everyday. If wala, tulog.
Okay, good answer. So ngayon, may question ako. So you're buying BNB. What's a good price point for you? 300 to 80 na okay siya para sa
Actually, if anything below 320 is already good buy kasi usual price is around 400. And also take note of the quarterly burning, guys. So, quarterly burning plus yung talagang ini-incubate na projects and everything ni Binance is just, parang for me, not financial advice, pero parang medyo no-brainer for someone who are learning crypto not to buy BNB.
Okay, next. Sino gusto mong next na tanungin natin ngayon?
I think,
Okay, go.
ito, so,
Saan?
lumalayo din.
Okay, sino? Okay.
Yes, what?
Okay, name for the vlog.
Yeah,
What's your name?
Gio.
Gio
Komiya.
Gio Komiya. Okay, Gio Komiya. Market's down. What are you doing right now?
Doing right now, actually more of doing fundamentals on projects that might boom when the bull market comes back.
Okay. So you're buying? You're buying?
Not really, studying first.
Okay.
Because you cannot just put in random tokens na hindi mo ni-research, hindi mo pinag-aralan. So you just study first, slow down, and then slowly accumulate along the way.
Got it. Who do you want me to ask next? Turo mo.
I want you to ask as Prof. Doc.
Okay. Yo. Sorry, name for the vlog?
Chris,
Okay, game. The market's down. What are you doing?
getting more knowledge of what's happening, and when this happens again, I should know when and where to exit and enter.
Okay, are you buying something or not right now?
Right now, I'm more of selling more than buying,
Okay.
cutting my losses.
Okay, so should you tell people right now, is it okay to actually still sell right now na medyo malaki na binaba nyo, or is that just a personal decision?
It's a personal decision for me, but if you want to cut losses and try to put it up, or parang bawiin yung losses mo, you have to at least try to cut losses and try to get gains from that. Kasi you have to know what's going down, what's going up.
Okay, so napansin nyo guys, we've talked to maybe 5 people already. The answers are different. That's why that's so important about investing, trading different asset classes. It's not a one-size-fit-all decision. That we all do different things. Yun yung pinaka-importante. That's why don't listen to what I'm saying. Don't listen to what everyone else is saying. Oh, and don't listen to every person or yung kaibigan nyo, whatever they say. Don't listen to and your own analysis as well. Okay, pick a person. Next one. Yuko. Okay, Yuko. Okay, Yuko. Name for the channel, please.
Hello, Yuko PH. There you go.
Okay, so the market's bearish. What are you
Yes.
doing?
Alright, so first off, I did spend a lot of time na pag-investment. Parang nag-shopping ako. So yung shopping ko, hindi siya bags, hindi siya shoes. As in, dito ako nag-shop. And of course, I really want to fix yung investments ko. And ayun, on top of that, I am also looking into exploring yung other NFTs. Kasi gusto ko mag-collect. Gusto ko madaming blue check ang aking gallery. So there you go.
If you can give 2 NFTs that you have been picking up and 2 tokens that you've been picking up, what are they?
NFT muna tayo. I do have a Board Ape Yacht Club. Tapos meron din ako nung sa Still Pretty New, yung sa Ape. Actually, pero silang Ape. Yung, yeah. So, there you go. Buko Unggoy. Yung nasa collection ko ngayon.
Token.
I am actually nag-focus na ako sa Bitcoin ngayon. All in sa Bitcoin.
Oh, solid choice naman. Solid choice. Who else?
Okay, so, balita ko, mayroon daw ako kilalang sikat na TikToker, tapos medyo weeb din siya. Gusto niya umuwi agad kasi gusto niya manood ng anime. And I will call on Mark Senpai.
Okay, so the market is bearish. What are you doing right now?
Right now, again, I'm accumulating in the bearish market, and just like before, I'm doing much more research in terms of crypto kasi right now is the best way para mag-invest in learning in the crypto space since right now mas maraming projects ngayon na lumalabas na yung mga magaganda talagang projects since in a bull market mas masyadong overconfident yung mga lot of projects, so yeah, research ako right now.
What are you buying?
Right now, I'm buying obviously the big ones, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few other smart contract competitors like Solana, for example.
Okay. Are you buying XLP?
SLP, more on Axie talaga, Axie. SLP medyo alanganin since farm token kasi.
Okay, Fidem TV.
Hi guys.
Okay, name.
Hi guys, I'm Fidem. So, ako na creator on NFTs, crypto, and Web3.
Okay, so what are you doing in this bear market?
Right now guys, I'm observing, no? Pero nag-trade ako sa futures, sa crypto, and also in-observe ko din if may mga potential stocks no in the future na mag-perform well. Okay? So sa ngayon talaga medyo hindi maganda yung market, kaya observe muna. Medyo mahirap din kasi catch the falling knives, di ba? So kailangan mo ng observation and more research, focus ka muna ngayon sa pag-aaral, okay? Para at least pag bull market na, may ready ka na, and I know makaka-survive ka naman sa bear market, so yun.
So ano paborito mong short lately?
Lately, nag-trade ako ng Gala, ayun, okay, sinort ko yung Gala, and I also bought Luna, 12 million Luna tokens, na-trade ko naman siya, so bale, ginawa kong strategy doon. Kinuha ko yung capital ko, and syempre with some gains, tapos pinaroll ko na yung ibang profit. So nakaroll ngayon is 3.5 million Luna tokens. Sinayaan ko na lang whether mag-piso man or mag-zero, wala na akong alam dyan. Yes.
Okay, it's your turn. Okay,
Yes.
We are with my father.
Ulitin mo yun!
Tinanong ko sila lahat, The market is down. What are you doing in this down?
I do dollar cost average. No? Sa mga gusto kong tokens na hindi ko mabili dati dahil ang mahal. No? So ngayon, now is the time to slowly accumulate itong mga tokens na to. Again, keep on studying pa rin. No? Aralin pa rin yung mga tokens, then buy slowly, buy slowly, buy slowly.
Okay, what's your favorite na dinidisplay mo during this time?
I really love Bitcoin.
Okay.
Bitcoin.
Okay, ang tanong, mahal ka rin ba niya?
Mukha naman, matagal na kaming magkasama. Hindi pa niya ako iniiwan.
Okay, so maraming salamat. So thank you. So we talked to different people, and what's interesting about that, again, different answers. And the goal of all of this is for you to get what they're saying, but build your own strategy and conviction in all of this. Because at the end of the day, for you to be able to win in this market is to study, research, and just keep on learning, keep on studying. Use this bear market, use this drop to be able to build the right strategy for you to be able to win over the long term. So I guess that's it. We're almost done. So we're here at Traders Fair and it's done. We started with Marvin Fabis. Meron na sa comment section. Sabi nila, you're the Will Dasovich of TikTok and crypto daw. Ano comment mo doon?
So flattered. Wala lang. Kasi for me, parang normal lang sa akin talaga mag-share sa stock meds eh. So ako nag-enjoy lang ako na maraming matulungan. Yun lang yung heart ko. And of course, makasama yung mga matitinda at mayayaman na mga
Ay, hindi ako kasama. So, sino si Alodia?
Ayun, nandito. Malapit na.
Hindi siya si Alodia. Nag-break sila eh. Break sila. Okay lang. So yun lang. Wala na kinatutunan dito. Bye guys. So, God bless.